Hi, it's Krow Fisher from here on Earth. We are so excited to offer our Witches Summer Camp schedule. Warlocks, of course, are welcome too. We have a fun selection of full day and half day workshops to offer here in the fields and forests of Deva Gardens near Norwood, Ontario. Working with crystals and stones, spell crafting witches' bells for home protection and blessings, tapping into earth magic and finding your allies, learning to make medicines, hands-on healings, drum and chant circles, reading oracle cards, developing automatic writing skills, the art of Ho'oponopono and healing the ancestral lines, and many more still to be added to the roster as our witchy friends brew up their contributions. So check out our Witches Summer Camp calendar and sign up for some good times this summer. Look forward to seeing you then.